Thank you.
Right, sir. So let us start about today's session. So let me give just a revision for 1 or 2 minutes. I request everyone to please be on mute. So in the last videos, we started a new batch on logic-based programming, LBP. Sir, the title of the course is Logic-Based Programming, and this is the 16th batch. Successfully, we completed 15 batches. This is the 16th batch. The duration of the course is 2 months. 2 months we are going to discuss about this total programs. Sir, 2 months in the sense not complete months, around 50 sessions we are going to take. Okay. The timings of this session is from 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. Every day, 1 hour session will be there, and Monday to Saturday as the days. So sometimes alternative weeks or 2 weeks once or 3 weeks once, I'm going to plan for extra classes. There are some special topics are there. Okay, we need to cover those topics only on Sundays because some lengthy session around 1.5 hour, 2 hours or 2.5 hours sessions required. So those topics will be those programs will be covered on those days, like strings, matrices, like that. We have some special programs. And yesterday we have taken the first demo. This is the second demo. Like this, around 2 demos will be there. Another 2 days we are going to discuss. And the people who are willing to continue, you can start making the payments, so that we will give running notes access and as well as videos. The fees for this batch is 2500, where you are going to get live classes, recorded videos, running notes, hacker rank link. So these running notes and hacker rank link is lifetime validity, but these videos you are going to get access only for 6 months, okay, from the date of your registration. And prerequisite for this course is compulsory. You should have knowledge in C, Java, Python. Actually, in my point of view, any one language knowledge is sufficient. Okay. Suppose, sir, I know Java very well. So I will explain C, Java, Python. In that, you have to put more concentration while explaining the Java code, but you can use this C language. You can listen this C language code, how I am writing, and how I am writing in Python also. So that the advantage is nothing but you people are going to get grip towards coding, sir. That is the main intention, nothing more than that. And how many coding challenges we are going to solve? So we are going to solve around 350 plus programs. All these 350 programs we are going to cover by using C, Java, and Python. Okay. And the tool which we are using for this is nothing but Hacker Rank tool. For demo purpose, just I have created one sample link. But once if the regular class got started, we are going to change that link. Okay. And the level of this coding will be up to 70% you can expect. Of course, remaining 30, after attending these classes, after completion of this course, you can go through Hacker Rank, Hacker Earth, Lead Code. Like this, there are so many coding challenge websites are there. There you have to start practicing. Now itself, if you start without having prior knowledge, so immediately you are going to feel like it is a difficult problem. Definitely you won't touch that. Okay. Or after trying for 1 hour or 2 hours, you are going to leave that channel. So that's why without fundas, okay, without basics, don't start high level programs. So I can say this is the key for you. So if you watch these all these 350 programs very clearly, if you solve, then automatically you can able to solve any kind of problem. At least you can able to solve 50 to 60%. That is more than sufficient. Okay. This is nothing but our course. And as I said earlier, for everyone this course is nothing but best course. Okay. So no other training institutes are conducting these kind of classes. Okay. So it is always recommended to have these kind of sessions, sir. Every 3 months once we are planning these sessions. Minimum 30 to 40 members will be there in this batch. Okay. But now you know very well. 1 second. So um you can see. So after attending these sessions, okay, it is highly recommended for the students who are there in final year and pre-final year. Okay, so it is highly recommended to register for this course. Definitely it will be useful. And whatever content we discussed yesterday, just I am sharing this link. Even today's demo also we are going to upload in this YouTube channel only. Same link you can use for tomorrow's session also. Around up to 3 to 4 days we will upload videos in this. Okay, so after that we are going to give a separate access for you in the form of drive. Okay, and so the division of these programs, yesterday I explained around these 360 programs. Program number 1 to 50, complete basic formula based programs will be there. And program number 51 to 100, while loop based programs will be there. From program number 101 to 150, for loop based programs will be there. From program number 151 to 225, array based programs will be there. From 226 to 275, matrix programs will be there. You can see 50 programs on matrices. Even if you search in the entire internet, you won't get those many programs. Okay, so many questions will be there from previously asked questions. So almost in this logic based programming, out of these 350, almost 100 programs are asked in the previous interview questions only, sir. Like in the period of lockdown. Okay, so they have conducted virtually interviews, right? So in that we collected data from different companies database, and we have given that programs here. Okay, so with some customization. Okay, so that's why, so if you solve these 350 programs, you can able to attend any kind of interview, so no problem at all. Okay. Next and after that, so strings programs will be there. Okay, around 75 string programs we are going to cover, and these programs are very very important. Suppose if you take recent, so TCS has conducted some interviews. Wipro conducted some interviews. Like we collected different question papers from that. Okay, of course it is available in the net, and I prepared some videos on this. Every program I prepared some videos on this. That videos I am going to share for you people. Okay, those programs, as of now I prepared 10 videos that I am going to share. Okay, whenever I am preparing the videos on coding questions, I will keep on sharing with you people after completion of the course also. This is nothing but what is the main agenda of this logic based programming. The main intention is nothing but what, to learn coding very fluently. That's all, beyond that nothing. And coming to the programs, of course, now it may not be very clear for you. So I have given the list of 315 programs, 350 programs directly. Okay. So next, how to read. Yesterday, we have seen first program. What is the first program? How to print welcome message on the screen. So I'm going to give some name. You have to take that name and you have to print the welcome message. In how many ways we can print? I mean, in which format we have to print? In C language, first for every program, I'm going to read this program minimum 2 times. If it is very simple, minimum 2 times. If it is a somewhat complex, minimum 4 to 5 times we are going to read the problem. Okay, if you have 10 minutes time to solve the problem, I recommend 6 minutes to read the problem statement, because once if you understand the problem statement very clearly, writing the code is in our hands only. But here it is a very simple program. That's why within 1 minute we can read. Okay, and after that they are going to give some examples also for that problem statement to make very easy to understand. They are going to give some examples also. Here also we are going to give some examples, and if this is the input, what is the expected output also we are going to take. Then from this problem statement, from this example, we can prepare the logic. This is very very important. So once if you prepare the logic, that's all, our task is 90% is going to be finished. We have to use appropriate instructions. If you take C language code, then it will become C language implementation. If you write the same logic in Java, it will become Java program. If you write the same logic in Python, it will become Python code. That's all, sir, nothing more than this. Just I explained so how you can able to print a welcome message on the screen by using these three programming languages. This is the first program which we covered in the yesterday's session. Okay, sir, up to this, do you have any doubts? Yes, please confirm.
No, sir.
Yeah,
No, sir.
yeah. I'm not seeing the response from everyone. Please be active. Okay.
Uh,
Hello,
Hello,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
Sir, you have mentioned the tool as a hacker rank. So while explaining, might be you'll be using the hacker rank.
Hmm.
Suppose if you would like to go for the practice, can we use the same hacker rank tool,
Same hacker rank link
or
because
else
it
we should
is
have to go
no,
for
no,
any other IDs,
no,
sir?
no, no. You should not use IDEs. The
Okay,
main intention behind this is while writing the IDEs, we are going to get familiar with normal coding. Okay.
okay,
So suppose if I am asking to write addition of two numbers, you are going to write the program based on the knowledge whatever you have in Python or C or Java. But company standard is different. When they are giving, they will ask you to read the data from first line. This is the first input, this is the second input, output is like this. So they will give only this format. So you need to write the program to meet this requirement. There, if you are asking enter a value like this, it won't work out. Got it?
so you're
That's why
saying that,
mm,
yeah, I'm sorry for
compulsory
interrupting.
we have to use hacker rank link only.
Okay, so sir, so is it free only, sir, hacker rank for that
Yeah,
one?
yeah. Actually, we customized that. That is our business policy. We have customized that. I will share one link. Once if the regular class got started, I will share the link. So that is a permanent link. I'm going to add all these 350 programs in that. You can practice.
Okay, we can touch. And sir, I have a question. Like, suppose, what about the data structures and algorithms? So you're going to teach that one, or directly you're going to
No, no,
apply
no.
the logic into that
No,
one?
no, 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 no. Here data structures won't come into the picture.
Okay,
Okay, only logical skills. That's all.
okay,
Data
got it.
structures is a separate concept, right? It is nothing but something like important tool while working with main projects. Okay, that is a next level concept.
And you have mentioned, sir, like the videos. Suppose I would like to know about the video. I would like to take the videos from you. Like, it will be in which format, sir?
Sir, it will be in the YouTube only, sir. I will share all these things. Don't worry.
Okay, okay. Thank you,
It
sir.
is a free of cost. I will share. It will be there in your. If you subscribe to that, you will be having all the videos in that. Okay.
Sure, sure, sir.
Mm, right.
Sir. Hello, sir.
Yes. Yes.
I just want to know if someone is learning the Python, can he attend this course parallelly?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. And actually,
Mm,
sir, the motive for taking this course is that I'm actually looking for the career transition in IT sector.
okay.
I'm having experience of 5+ years in other sector. So
So you don't
currently,
have any IT experience.
no, I don't have any IT experience. I'm looking
Now
for a
you want
career
to switch
transition.
to IT.
Yes, actually, main focus is for the data science actually.
Okay.
But
So then
currently,
you know
as
Python very well.
I am learning Python, sir, right now.
That is sufficient, sir. Sufficient.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah. Maybe it will be useful for you, definitely.
And one thing more, sir, I would like to ask. Suppose that we are practicing the things
Hmm.
and we are not able to share, then how
Hmm.
can we discuss with you?
You can. Yeah, I will. I am going to share the number. You can communicate with me.
ठीक है. Thank you so much, sir.
Yes. Right, sir. So this is nothing but what we discussed in the last session. Just one program only we discussed. Now I want to talk about this scenario, like reading and writing the data. So maybe already you know about this, but without knowing this, directly entering into the coding is not good. That's why reading and writing data, which is technically called as IO statements. IO statements means what? Input and output statements. So as a part of a programmer's requirement, it is highly recommended to read the data from the user, which is called as dynamic data. Dynamic data in the sense what? When the program is executing, you have to supply the data, which is called as a dynamic data. Once if the data is accepted, it will process that data. And after processing, it is going to generate some results. We can call it as an output. That are generated output, you have to print on the screen, right? Yes, that is also very, very important. Otherwise, how we could know whether the program is working properly or not? That's why input and output statements are mandatory in every programming language. Sir, anyway, we are discussing 3 languages. Sometimes you may get confused also. That's why let me elaborate for 20 to 30 minutes. What are the various input and output statements available in all these 3 languages which we are going to implement? Let me talk about first C language. The people who don't know anything about C language also feel free to learn. Okay, nothing will be there here. See, if you want to read any data, there are some formats are there in C language, like a %d, which is used to read integer value from the user. Sir, if I want to read integer value from the user, we are going to use %d, which represent integer value. Similarly, we have %f is there to read floating point value, or technically double also we can use. Sir, I need to read only one character. Then %c is there to read what type of data? Character. So similarly, %s is there to read what type of data? String. But in C language, strings are not there, right? That's why we are calling it as character array. Like, these are the various formats which are available while reading the dynamic data from the user in C language. Sir, I want to read, okay, I want to read floating point value. Which format we have to use? %f. I want to read a string. So yesterday we have seen, right, while reading the data, we used which one? %s. But the problem with %s is nothing but it will read only single word. Whenever a space is encountered, it will stop reading. If you want to avoid that, so within square brackets, we have to give cap of /n. That means what? Until getting new line character, I want to read the string or character array. What is the meaning of this? Can I say it is a multi-word? Multi-word means what? The total line it is going to read, not a single word, sir. It is going to read the total line at a time. Okay, like that. These are the formats what we have. Okay, these are nothing but the formats what we have in C language, okay, to read or to write the data. I hope everyone knows about this concept very well. So if you don't know, just you can learn slowly, you can understand. Okay, once if you see 1 or 2 examples. Sir, are you clear with these formats? Please confirm.
Sir, can we also use %I for int?
Yes, we can use.
%I.
There are
Okay.
different formats are there. %o you can use, %x you can use. All these are different formats. But
Okay.
we are going to read in the form of decimal, right? That's why %d we are using.
Okay, sir.
Clear, everyone? Please confirm. Right, good. Right, sir. Now, sir, how to print the value? We have print f function is there. Print f function is there. Within double quotations, we have to provide the format which you want to provide, comma, list of values. Okay, that's all. Suppose if I want to print 3 integer values, printf first integer, do you need a space between them? Yes. %d, %d, a comma b comma c. Assume the values are available in a, b, c. How you can able to print? %d followed by space, %d followed by space, %d. So it will print a value followed by b value followed by c value, separated by spaces. It is going to print. This is nothing but what we have, sir. C language format what we have. Okay, hope it is very clear for you. So if I want to read the data, dynamically from the user. Same, we have to use the formats here, and list of values you have to take. But before this list, in every list, every variable, you have to take ampersand symbol. Assume I want to read three inputs from the user. So three are nothing but integer values. Like this, I am going to take comma, ampersand a, okay, ampersand b, ampersand c. So while reading, the first value is going to be stored inside a variable. Second value is going to be stored inside b variable. Third value is going to be stored inside c variable. Like we have to take, sir. Okay. So this is nothing but C language style what we have. If you want to read the data, go for scanf, scanning the data. If you want to print the values, better to go for printf. I hope you understood the scenario, what is happening internally. Any doubt, friends?
Sir, one doubt. While we are writing the codes,
Hmm.
is there any order of writing printf or scanf, or we can write anyway, like first scanf and then
No,
printf?
no, no, no. See, while reading, while writing the program, first we have to read the data, right? Correct? Sir, please confirm. Who asked this doubt? Amar, I think you.
Yes, sir. I asked the question, sir.
Yeah, you got the clarity, right? First, we have to read the data. So which thing will come first?
Scanf, sir.
Scanf.
Yeah.
Then after we will do main logic. After finishing all our logic, we have to print the result, right? There printf will come.
Okay, sir.
So basically, scanf is here just like for inputting the data. I think when you have to take the input from the data from
Mm.
user actually.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Now I'm going to demonstrate how we can able to read the data, okay, from Java. But before moving to the Java programming language, how you can able to read the data, sir, I want to go for one program because it is our main agenda is to see the coding only, right? That's why let us go for first one program we will solve, and then we will come for that. Okay. So what is the program that I'm going to use is sir, yesterday somewhere I have given that hacker rank link, right? Demo link I have given. You can see. So hackerrank.com/lbp test. Compulsory net connection must be required. So I'm going to use here. You can see. Yeah. So once if it is opened like this, you have to enter into the contest. Okay. Then you can see the list of programs are available here. I want to solve eighth program. Of course, it is not there in a sequential manner because these are the demo sessions. So I'm going to select the programs randomly. Okay, today I want to solve this eighth program. Sir, what is this program? You can see here, problem statement. Implement a program to calculate the free number of cups. Okay, how many cups you are going to get? You have to calculate. The user gets for specified number of cups bought by the user. The user is going to get some coffee cups. Okay, that shop person is going to give some offer so that you have to find out total how many cups you are going to get at the end. The user will get one cup free. This is very, very important for every six cups bought. That means what? If you purchase six coffee cups, you are going to get one coffee free, one coffee cup free. Means what? It is something like buy six, get one free. This is the concept what we have. Now the input is how many coffee cups you purchased that they are going to give. You have to return in addition to how many cups you purchased, total extra cups that you are going to get, that total sum you have to print. This is the problem statement. Now let us see sample test cases. Sir, I purchased six coffee cups. Then what is the output? How many cups I have now? Seven. Because for six cups, one extra cup will come, right? So 6 plus 1, 7. Now second input, 8 cups I purchased. Sir, 8 plus, in 8 how many sixes are there? Only one six. That's why only one extra cup you will get. 8 plus 1 will become 9. Sir, I purchased 10 cups. In 10, how many sixes are there? Only one six. That's why 10 plus 1, 11 cups you purchased. You got. Sir, I purchased 12 cups. In 12, how many sixes are there? 2 sixes. That means 2 free cups you are going to get. Already you purchased 12 plus extra 2, total 14. Now, I think the problem statement is clear. We have to think how the result is coming. We have to develop logic for that. If everything is okay, writing the program is a small thing, sir. Sir, at least is the problem statement is clear?
Yes, sir.
Everyone please confirm.
Yes, sir.
And trust me, sir, this is one of the previously asked interview question. So in almost 3 years back, 3 to 4 years back, this is one of the previously asked interview question in Wipro company. Okay. So of course, it is a very small program only, but you have to think in the next level. Now, this 8th program I want to solve, sir. How we are going to solve? Sir, in this demo session, you have to capture whatever concept I am trying to explain. Are you able to understand or not? You have to see. That is a very, very important thing. Okay. Now, sir, program number 8. What is the title of the program? Coffee cups. Implement a program to calculate free number of cups the user will get for specified number of cups bought by the user. The user will get 1 cup free for every 6 cups bought. How many cups you have purchased? For every 6 cups, you are going to get 1 cup free, sir. Okay. Now, my requirement is very simple. I am going to take this one with the help of examples. Sir, I purchased 6 cups. You are going to get 6 plus 1. Total 7 cups you are going to get. Sir, I purchased 10 cups. 10 plus in 10, how many sixes are there? Only 1. So the output what we are going to get is 11. Sir, I purchased 12 cups. 12 plus, how many sixes are there in this? 2. So the output what we are going to get is nothing but what? 14. Sir, I purchased 18 cups. 18 plus. In 18, how many sixes are there? You can see 3 sixes are there. The output what we are going to get is nothing but 18, 19, 20, 21 cups you are going to get. Dot, dot, dot. Now tell me the formula. If you are purchasing n cups, sir, how many total cups that you are going to get? Can anyone tell me what is the formula?
Sir, n plus 1?
If it is n plus 1, 18 plus 1 should return 19.
19, yeah.
So that formula is wrong. Tell
Okay.
me.
N plus
Hmm.
n modular 6.
N plus n modulus 6. Check it once. Is it correct?
And
n plus n divided by 6.
Very good. Very good. Okay. So you have to take the formula n plus n by 6. In n, how many cups, how many sixes are there? You have to find out. Sir, observe this formula apply. 6 by 6, you are going to get 1. 10 by 6, you are going to get 1 only. 12 by 6, you are going to get 2. 18 by 6, you are going to get 3. N means n by 6. This is nothing but the formula what we have, sir. Sir, what is the logic behind this? Very simple. Since we are working with integers, we have to read n value. We have to read n value from the user. So if you are using C language, just now I covered right how you can read. If you are using Python, you have to read. So if you are using Java, you have to read in a proper format. Sir, after that, what we have to do? Sir, can I directly print the result? Yes. So print n plus n by 6. That's all, sir. Nothing more than this. A simple formula we have to apply. Okay. Sir, is the problem statement, example, and this logic is clear means I will start writing the code. Clear, friends?
yes, sir.
Everyone, please confirm. Clear up to this?
Yes, sir.
Right. Let us solve this problem first by using, I request everyone to please be on mute. Lingaraj,
Yes, sir.
Patil, please be on mute. Okay, sir, n plus n by 6, how it is coming? It is very simple. Suppose if the value of n is equal to 6, what is the result that you are getting? 6 cups you are going to get plus 1 extra cup. How this one is calculated? N by 6. Here n value is 6, 6 by 6. Suppose if you are purchasing 18 cups, 18 plus in 18, how many sixes are there? 3. How you can get that 3? Sir, can I take 18 by 6? 6 threes are 18. Like that we are going to get. Okay, simple formula, math formula. Now I want to do this program in C language. How you can able to do? Already here the total thing is ready. Just to change the language to C language. Default skeleton it is going to come. Sir, there are only 3 steps. First step, declare the variable which you are going to use. Okay, I need integer variable n I declared. Read that value. Sir, which function we have to use? Scanf. What is the format? Just now I told percentage %d, comma, ampersand, only one value. That's why 1 %d, ampersand n. How to print the result? Just now we covered percentage %d, comma, directly can I write the formula? N plus n by 6. That's all, sir. Anyway, brackets are not required here because inside the expression, we have 2 operators are there. One is nothing but plus operator, another one is nothing but division. So among these two, which is having highest priority? Division. So anyway, division will execute first. So n by 6 it will calculate. For that n value will be added. That result value it is going to print. Let us run this program. So you can see without giving any error message, all the 4 test cases are working. Now I want to submit the code. Sir, anyway, first time it will ask, just click on this, don't ask me again, and yes, submit my code. Now you can see. So the code is going to be submitted. So the score which you got is 1 point, status is accepted. All the test cases got passed. Try to copy paste the code, whatever you have done. This is nothing but a C language implementation of this particular program. Any doubt, friends? Please confirm.
So no doubt, this %n is only applicable for reading the data, right, sir?
Yes. Ampersand means it is a low level programming language. C language is a low level programming language. So hence you have to give suggestion to store the data inside the memory location. That internal activity will be done by ampersand. Ampersand means it is going to search for the available memory location and it will hold the value of n into that memory location.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay. Sir, clear everyone so that we can go for next channel. Clear up to this?
Yes, sir, clear.
Right. Now, so before going for Java implementation, let us go for the original thing. Like I want to see how you can able to read the data by using Java programming language. How you can able to take, sir, for that reading data input, we have different techniques are there. Like we have buffered reader is there, and we have console is there, and even scanner class is there. In this, which is recommended? Scanner, because it is not a Java class, I am not going for in detail. And if you take output, the only output statement what we have here is nothing but system.out.println. So we don't have any format like percentage %d, all these things we are not required to do here. But how to read the data? First, how to declare scanner class? Scanner, any name you can take. Obj is equal to new scanner. So within bracket, I am giving system.in. Okay. The people who are coming from Java background, they can understand this meaning of this line. Scanner, it is a predefined class. Obj is the object name. Any name you can take in the place of that. Some people may use scan, some people may use ESC like that. Some people may use ES is equal to new scanner from where you are reading the data. If you want to read the data from file, we have to give the file name. If you want to read the data from string, you have to give that string name. So if you want to read the data from input device, you have to give system.in. So once if you have written this statement, a scanner class object is ready. By using that, we can read the data. Sir, generally, how we are going to read the data? If you want to read integer data, then object dot next int you have to use. This is the predefined method which is there in Java to read integer value from the user. Sir, I want to read floating point. Actually, that float is technically called as a double in high level languages. How to read the double value? Sir, we have to take next double like this. Sir, I want to read string value. How you can able to read? Sir, obj dot. So next we can use or obj dot next line. Both you can apply. But you have seen the difference in yesterday's class when we can go for next, when we can go for next line. So when you are using next, what is the meaning? It is going to read only single word. So obj dot, if you take next line, what it is going to read? It will read the total entire line it is going to read. Like that we have. So these are nothing but very commonly used functions what we have to read the data. Like integer data means obj dot next int, double data means obj dot next double. Okay, string data means either obj dot next or next line. Immediately you may have a doubt, sir, what about character data? There is no direct method to read the character data. There is indirect method is there. At the time of covering the program, I will talk about that. As of now, not required. Okay, sir, any doubt about this scanner class? Please confirm.
So that system.in system, is it a class, sir?
Yes, system is the class, scanner is the class. In total Java, whenever you are seeing first character as a capital letter, next word is also capital letter, all those things are classes. Buffered reader is a class, console is a class, scanner is the class, system is the class, string is the class, everything is a class.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, if you want to print the data, system.out.println, you have to give the data whatever you need to print. That's all. This is the way how you can able to read dynamic data from the user in which programming language? Java. Sir, can you please show me one example? Let me cover this continuation program. This coffee cups problem we implemented in C language, right? Let us take Java implementation of this program. Sir, how you can implement in Java? Very simple. I'm going to choose the programming language as a Java. I'm going for again problem statement. Okay. So I'm going to select the language as a Java. And here, sir, scanner class is available in util package. That's why if you see they already implemented, they already imported, we are not required to write anything. Sir, scanner obj is equal to, I'm taking new scanner of within bracket system.in. I want to read dynamic data from the user. After this, what we have to do? Let us read one integer value. Integer n is equal to, can I take obj dot next int? Yes, because you are working with integer only. Can I print directly result? System.out.println n plus n by 7, n by 6. You can use any programming language. The highest priority will be given for division only, right? Now you can run the program. Sir, all the test cases are working. And submit the code. Is it going to work? Definitely, it is going to work. This is the way how we can implement in which programming language? Java. I hope you understood very clearly, sir. Any doubt, friends?
Sir, I have one doubt here. So while
Hmm.
implementing the code in HackerRank, we cannot ask to enter the input in, like, for example, if we want to enter
Hmm.
84
Hmm.
or 30 like
Hmm.
that,
Hmm. The
can we?
reason for that is if they have given the students, those who are writing the examination, okay,
Mhm.
so maximum company people are going to hire only freshers, right?
Yes, sir.
Maximum 80% freshers will come into the picture, right?
Yes, sir.
So they are studying the programming languages in their colleges and respective training institutes. From that they are learning. Means what? They are learning from the scratch. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
If you ask the student to write the program to perform addition of two numbers, he will write code like this: system.out.println of enter any number, like that. Then he is going to read like this. This is the general way of reading the data, right?
Yes, sir.
That means what? In the sample input and output, I have to prepare in such a way that it should ask this one. There I will give 10. It is going to ask like this. There I am going to give 20. So expected output is 30. Have you observed this test case I have to dump in my database?
Correct. Yes, sir.
Then only whatever code that you are going to write, it is going to be submitted and it will do validation internally. Testing will be performed and then output, whether it is correct or wrong, it will display, right?
Yes, sir.
If I have written this total data in the testing cases, some people may use enter A number, enter B number. Is it going to work? No,
No,
right?
no, sir.
Because whatever sentence I have framed here, the same thing you have to type with respect to case also. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So it is something like a format. If an application is given to you, in the top of the application, it is telling you have to write in the capital letters. Are you going to write it in small letters?
No,
No.
sir.
If you are writing in small letter, I will reject that application. That means what? Whatever rules and regulations they have given, we have to follow.
Yes, sir.
So in the test cases, these things will be supplied. Around for a program, we are going to give some 10 test cases. Writing the program is easy. Preparing the test cases is difficult.
Yes, sir.
Understanding my point?
Yes,
So
sir.
you have to write the program to meet all these 10 test cases requirements. That's why, so if it is a raw information, it is very difficult for the students to clear the exam. That's why what we are doing, whatever required, they need two numbers. Give these two numbers and give the result. It is easy, right?
Yes, sir.
Without giving any interface, directly we are reading the data. This
Okay.
is the reason why we are displaying, okay, in the problem statement. So why we are displaying like this. Have you observed there is some special box? If you observe like this, it is there. Maybe if you open in your browser, you'll get clarity. Means what? This is the input for the program. They are expecting this one. Got it?
Okay. Got it.
This format should be common for every input. If I am
Okay.
writing 8 here and if I am writing 8.3, it is not a proper test case. Because to meet this requirement, you will use int, but it won't work for this one. If you are using float, it won't work for int. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
That is very, very important while writing the program.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
So I hope this is nothing but what we have about Java implementation. Sir, everyone clear about this? Please confirm. If you are having any queries, please feel free to ask your queries. Right. So that's all about today's session. We are going to discuss the remaining things in our tomorrow's session. Tomorrow also demo will be there. Same link you have to use. Okay. So tomorrow we are going to see one interesting topic. I am going to give hint also. See, one of my student told almost 4 years back, sir, because of this particular issue, Azam, please be on mute. Because of this issue, sir, I lost one interview. So out of 3 questions, he solved 2 questions. One question he is unable to solve, but the problem is very simple. What is that a problem? How you can rectify that? That I will explain in the tomorrow's session. Okay.
Sir, Python you will not explain today.
Yeah. Today I'm not going to cover. Tomorrow I will continue.
Okay.
Right, sir. Thank you.
So, hello, sir. Last question, sir. Sorry for
Yes.
disturbing.
Yes.
Sir, well, you are going for the, I think this one is a demo.
Hmm.
you're going for the real-time classes.
Hmm.
So for each and every one implementation, you're going for C, Java, Python, three of them or any one of them, sir?
No, no, no. Three.
Why? Because I have a grip or knowledge only on Python, so I don't have any zero knowledge on C as well as on Java. That is the reason.
Sir, whether you know C or Java or Python, my sincere suggestion is select any one from Java or Python, but highly recommended to focus on C language because you know very well in C language, I mean in Java and Python, we have ready-made methods are there for each and everything, right? So if you want to solve any problem, we have some predefined methods. But in C language, we don't have any predefined methods. If you want to do anything, we have to write the code manually. Are you understanding the point?
I got it, sir.
Yes, that is the main intention of this course, sir. Why we included C. You have to focus on C and Python. That's all.
Okay, sir.
Right. Right, sir. Thank you. See you tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.